So, I want us we begin with computers. Introduction to computers. What is a computer? Yeah, in simple terms, a computer is a general purpose machine that performs tasks in response given to it and stores information. Performs tasks given to it and stores information. That's why in the later videos you are going to see that you can instruct your computer to do anything for you, like maybe for example using a calculator, and come here to your window, then you can maybe open this calculator, form for us task for maybe calculating some figures. You have money, you have like maybe 18,957, maybe divide by, can even say 8.95, anything. It gives you the answer. That calculator has performed the task. That calculator is under a software. It's a software program, but what we were using to put in these figures is the hardware, the keyboard, okay? But I was using the mouse. When you see components of a computer where we have the computer hardware and the computer software, where under the hardware are the tangible parts of the computer. For example, the mouse. The mouse is a computer hardware. The keyboard is also a computer hardware. These tangible things of the computer that we can touch, those are the computer hardware. Okay, so those are, even the monitor is a computer hardware. I have told you those are tangible parts of a computer. Then when you look at computer software, these are a set of instructions that direct a computer on what to do. So for example, the operating system, the computer languages, the programming languages, and among others. Then the other part of the base components of computer we have also is which is not so much essential, the computer humanware. We who are using the computer, we call them the computer users. Those are computer humanwares. For example, there's programmers, the students, okay? Now, when you are going to start a computer, you make sure that your power supply is stable and constant, shouldn't be fluctuating. Or if you are using a laptop, the laptop should have power. Then after you pressing yours, maybe for example you are starting a computer that was off, you start, it will bring for you the place where you should input the password. After you putting in your password, you press the enter in key, sign in sometimes, then it will bring to you this empty space that you see on this computer. This is space that you are seeing, this space, and this empty space with all these things that you are seeing here on this left side is what we call the desktop. This is the desktop. Now, components that are on this desktop one, we have the taskbar. Do you see this big line here? Bar down, taskbar. As you hear the word taskbar, it does some tasks for you. For example, if you want to search it, this taskbar has this option. Maybe you want to search something like application, Microsoft. You see, you choose from there. Maybe you search for it as we have seen before. The calculator come, you click on it, and after leaving that search in it, open your calculator. This is on the search bar. Then also on this taskbar, you can find in some other components like the battery, where the battery is. You find the audio, this hidden icon also. it can show you these other internet connections, the Bluetooth, what. So this is found on the taskbar. Other things that we can find on this desktop are these folders. This is a folder, this is a folder, this is a folder. These ones are folders. So that's our folder. And then we also have shortcut. A shortcut is this icon with an arrow on it. That's what we call a shortcut with an arrow on it. This one, these are shortcuts. A shortcut has an arrow on it, but an icon does not have an arrow on it. For example, maybe like here, do I have an icon? Yes, like this PC maybe, but the one with this arrow here is a shortcut. Okay, see you next time. Stay tuned in, subscribe to the YouTube. This is an introduction to computers, so subscribe to my YouTube channel as I will keep taking you through different things on this computer. Later we shall look at research and AI. We shall look at Microsoft Word. We are going to look at how to create a table of content. Thank you so much. See you. Ta-da.